Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to integrate MAILCHIMP with Kajabi. All right, so first up, go ahead and log into your MAILCHIMP account. Once you're in here, go ahead and go to the top right, click on your profile icon. Now click on Profile. Okay. In here, go to these tabs and click on Extras. Then go ahead and click on API Keys. All right. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, you can now go ahead and scroll down and just go ahead and click on Create a Key. All right. Go ahead and name the key, for example, Kajabi int, and then hit on Generate. Copy the clipboard and make sure that you save this key to a safe place, okay? Because whenever you close this browser right here, this one will be locked, okay? So just hit on Done. As you can see here, API key is locked, but you can just go ahead and click on Revoke and create another key if you want to. And go back to Kajabi right here and log in with your Kajabi account. Now go to Settings, wait for it to load. Now once it loads, go ahead over to Site Settings. Under that, we have third-party integrations. Click on it. Now in here under third-party integrations, just go look for MAILCHIMP, and there will be a slider. Just make sure to turn on that slider and then paste the copied API key. And once done, don't forget to go to the top right and click on Save. All right? And that's how you integrate MAILCHIMP with Kajabi. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.